Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Rabi'atul Adawiyah Othman, and I'm gonna recite a poem entitled The Future of Nature, written by Mr. Muhammad Asri. The sky is blue. The forest luscious in greenery. The river flows untouched. Wildlife roam freely. All for one, one for all. The sun shines brightly. Flora and fauna sings happily. Everything on land and ocean moves freely. Diversity in unity. Unity in diversity. All for one, one for all. Life is a cycle, a sacred cycle, an intact cycle, a cycle for all, a cycle for one. To the hands of greed, may you practice good deeds. Let flora and fauna breathe. Let us plant the seed. Let we all do the good deed. Wrongdoing is wrongdoing. Even everyone is trying. Even everyone is pleasing. Even everyone is destroying. We should stop doing. Destroying one is destroying all. Disturbing one is disturbing all. Destroying chain will destroy the circle. Destroying circle will destroy us all. Land. There is no use to preserve if we do not serve. When flora and fauna are not reserved, bad consequences we deserve, as they are worth preserving. Land, ocean, and sky are one. They encompass everything around them. Everything runs through them. Everything depends on them, as they are the heart of the earth. Great hands, great soul, great heart, as they great hands, great souls, great heart, as their brain are retard, they end up being a retard, destroying everything with disregard, laughing out of their heart. Land and ocean where animals multiply, yet humans fail to comply. Trees are gone, sea are polluted, yet this is undisputed. As our earth starts to rebel, we start to compel. To the end of the world we flee, yet we fail miserably. Global warming, flash flood, drought, and wildfire, they happen because of our desire. To the face of liar, as we perish with our desire. And to God we pray, as we are down on our knees, for we have gone astray just to fulfill our needs. This is not the last. This is not the beginning. If we still have trust, we should be doing. We start with a new motivation to rebuild our nature for the new millennials. to live happily, for sure. Thank you very much.